This fiberglass pool has a lifetime warranty and it's on Fairport Electric. So that means you can keep the heat cranked all the time. Woo, this bathroom's nice. Well, now that I'm all dried up, let's go take a look at this house. I love these tall ceilings, plenty of space, a large walk-in closet, and a covered deck right here. So private, beautiful. It's something the sellers put in. Look at, there's a gas line and plenty of room to build your dream kitchen out here. Look at this, open floor plan and tall ceilings with a fireplace. A gorgeous kitchen, granite, real hardwoods. Right over here we have first floor laundry, a mudroom, and access to the 2-car garage. And if we come this way, you'll find access to the lower level. So pretty. So here's the lower level with a full walkout. We also have 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and another walkout on the other side that leads to the pool.